Hey guys, welcome to Meta Unboxing, and in this video we are going to be looking at the PhoneSuit Elite Battery Case. The PhoneSuit Elite Battery Case has a 2200 milliamps for the iPhone 6. It has many variants, but I got this for the iPhone 6. It has a back indicator, LED indicator. It has a lightning cable to charge your phone. At the bottom we have the charging port, and also all your buttons and your speaker will be accessible through the port because they are all open. The case feels premium while holding it, and it is anti-fall. Like if it falls, your phone can't break. It is a 12-month warranty battery case from PhoneSuit. You can get this on Amazon. And it cuts this particular variant of the phone battery of the phone case Elite battery cost around $79 on Amazon. Like now, see what I'm showing you. That's the 5 LED light indicator to show you if it's fully charged. If your battery is at 0%, this battery case can charge your phone up to 100% from 0%, and you can still get like one battery, one LED light still showing. I highly recommend this because for the iPhone users, because the iPhone battery doesn't really last like that, so you can take this on the go. You can remove it when you want to put your phone. Now I'm putting the iPhone 6 into the case. I've put it in there, and I want to cover it. To power this, you hold your two thumbs down, then it flashes, then it starts charging immediately on your iPhone. It's charging the phone now. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I see you on the next